jumping. Heck.
Merrik, tell Poppy what that is. What are the trains going through right now? What are they going through? What is this? What is this? Tell Poppy it's a tunnel.
Go ahead. I know you want to push it. Go ahead.
What are you looking for?
Want to go inside? Want to go in there?
Yep.
No, you can't
Oh.
do it like that.
That's how he does this.
You can't do it like that. I gotta go around.
We gotta roll him back and then in.
That's it. Damn it. Come up and fix it here.
No, I'll do it, Pop. Oh, baby. Oh, that was a spark, huh? Say thank you. Oh, that one too. Careful with the caboose, please. Give it to Poppy. And the next one, and the next one. We'll do it one by one instead of... Careful, that one's got loose wheels on it.